They're under starters' orders, and they're off.
In the Grand Annual Chase, it's a 2-miler, and that means 12 fences to be taken. And straight into the lead goes Peter Anthony, followed by the Bar Rules. They're all safely over the first, and it's Peter Anthony leading from the Bar Rules. Then prominent behind these are Captain Dawn, Nudge Nudge, and Orp Baltic. They're being followed by Tarn, and the one who's fallen at the second is Stray Shot. Stray Shot is down at the second, but both horse and rider appear to be totally unscathed. Meantime, Peter Anthony continues to set the running at a fairly brisk clip to the others, who are now headed by Nudge Nudge in second. Coming then to the third, which like the first two is another plain fence, and it's Peter Anthony showing the way to Nudge Nudge, Captain Dawn, and Orp Baltic. After these four come Tarn 5, another Brownie 6. Then in seventh place, just behind these, is Shrewd Operator. Now they race uphill and towards another plain fence, and now Nudge Nudge has been sent up to dispute it with Peter Anthony. These two are closely followed by Orp Baltic showing in third place, and then Captain Dawn, Tarn, and another Brownie. Gemalek, just a slight mistake there, and towards the rear of the field are Care No More, Admiral's Cup, and then behind these come Just for the Crack, and the last two are Atataho, and finally, some way behind the others, Punentis. At the next fence, Peter Anthony took it just ahead of Nudge Nudge. All the leaders safely over, and indeed the back markers now, and so the whole field race on towards the water jump, fence number 6, the only water in the race, and Peter Anthony is still led, but Captain Dawn makes ground now to go up to dispute second with Orp Baltic and Nudge Nudge after these first four. On the outside is another Brownie, and then Shrewd Operator well placed. This is the first open ditch. All the leaders are over. In fact, no fallers at all there, but Punentis right at the back of the field has been pulled up. So they now go to the fifth from home, and after crossing this one we have a new leader, which is Captain Dawn. Captain Dawn has gone on to take up the running from the early leader Peter Anthony, who is back disputing second with another Brownie, and just behind these two up on the outside Pearlyman is very prominent. This is another ditch, and they're all jumping this one well, all safely over, no fallers at that one. So now they start the turn down towards the final 7 furlongs or so of the Grand Annual Chase, where they've just got 3 fences left to take. Quite a long run towards the third from home, and Captain Dawn is in the lead, being hustled along and chased by another Brownie on the inside, then Pearlyman close in third place. After these, Orp Baltic is still on the premises. Care No More is making ground, as now is Kevin's Fort. At the third from the finish, Captain Dawn led at it from Pearlyman, who is over in second place. Then Peter Anthony is still there. After these, another Brownie, Care No More, Kevin's Fort, and now the County Stone beginning to improve quite fast. They've just got 2 to take, and it was Captain Dawn in the lead, still Captain Dawn from Pearlyman, and then Peter Anthony. Behind these 3 comes the County Stone with Care No More, then Kevin's Fort and another Brownie. These are now clear of Nudge Nudge and Orp Baltic, but as they race to the final fence, it's Captain Dawn from Pearlyman, then after these 2, Shrewd Operator. This is the final fence, and at the last, Pearlyman and Captain Dawn are together, and it's Pearlyman now taking up the running. Pearlyman going on from Captain Dawn with Care No More finishing fastest of all, but as they race up towards the line, it's Pearlyman in front from Captain Dawn, Care No More, and Shrewd Operator.
First number 4, second number 26, and third number 12. First number 4, Pearlyman, second number 26, Captain Dawn, and third number 12, Care No More.